Hey guys, today let's check out free gift on Meesho, plus how to get referral reward, and also viral products with excellent offers on Meesho. As you see here, t-shirts are starting from 84 rupees. First, we'll see as how to get free gift on Meesho. As you see here, you can purchase this basketball cap and get a free gift, which I'll show you now. I'll provide the link in the description box. It's an excellent embroidery work on it, which is shown before. And it's a beautiful add-on which enhances your look. So here is the free gift on purchase of cap. That is the chocolate with a beautiful handwritten note. So if you're satisfied with the cap quality, you can enjoy free gift and give the small trader the rating, which goes as 5-star, right?
To encourage small sellers, please.
Okay, it's time. Now we'll see as how to get referral reward on Meesho. As shown here, click on the link. I'll provide this link in the description box. Go check it out. Once you click on the link, get the app through that link and allow location. Choose your language in which you are comfortable with. Choose your gender and age, and you can turn on notifications if you want. Here is the referral reward, which is 155 off, right on the home screen. Once you log in, this page would appear and you can claim 155 on your first order, which is auto applied at checkout, which I'll show you now. First, you choose the products and the offer zone. You have different variety of products, not only clothes. You have household essentials also you can check out, and from 100 casual shirts, which gives you good quality.
Now go to the cart after adding all the products to the cart.
And here referral reward is auto applied. Choose the payment mode, which is not cash on delivery, to avail more discount, and free delivery is available at checkout. Now place your order and enjoy. Meesho. Hello, namaste. How are you all doing? Hope you're all happy, fine, smiling. आप कैसे हो? नल्ले इरकिंगला. As you see here, these t-shirts are pretty cool. Three t-shirts are just 367 rupees. These are cotton t-shirts with elegant designs, and it's comfortable to wear and gives you a pleasant look. And here is a Tom and Jerry keychain, which is pretty right. You can enjoy the keychain just at 96 rupees. Next we have boys or men's t-shirts at 317 rupees, pack of 2. Also cotton fabric with graphic elegant designs on it, which completely changes your look, and you have a different casual look when you carry it on. Next we have this synthetic, soft t-shirts at just 84 rupees, and you can enjoy at 245 rupees, pack of 3. It's thin material though, fashionable, lightweight, comfortable, and ideal for outing, right? We'll move on to the next offer. And here we have different t-shirts with thin fabric of synthetic material, but it looks super nice, pretty, with bright colors, fashionable, and you will see the difference once you wear it, because it stands out. The best bargain price for this is 84 rupees. You can go check it out. And next we have this men's and boys t-shirt with collar from RG Garments, which costs 400 rupees, pack of 2 pairs. It's a blend of cotton and synthetic material. As you see here, you have beautiful different colors. I like peach color. Which color do you like? Let me know in the comment section. And next, this is Co-ord set or cord set, whatever you call. And the material is lycra, stretchable, as shown here, and you can feel comfortable on wearing it because according to your size it fits you, as it is stretchable, right? And you have different colors. It costs 300 rupees. You have double XL or triple XL also. Do check out. Next we have this comfortable trousers or half pants with elastic. It's soft and the fabric composition is praiseworthy because it is super soft inside and out, with graphic designs on it or printing. It gives you a nice look.
Check out men track pants from Trifox at 473 rupees pack of 3 feet. Good quality, cotton track pants. Stretchable, comfy, fashionable, ideal for men and boys. Elastic is provided at the waist, and the drawstring can be used to tighten the waist or tuck in your stomach.
Moving on to girls or women clothing, you have here complete set. It costs 290 rupees. It's a viral product. Do check out. You have beautiful work on the kurta. Have bandhani print as well. The pink is always girls' favorite, right? You have different sizes and you can go with the floral pants as shown there. Here is a white kurta with chicken kare work. It's beautiful, elegant and super pretty. Do try this product, which costs 200 rupees. Okay, coming up is the viral product of Meesho. It's a beautiful maroon kurta with gold work across the kurta with beautiful neck and hands design as shown in the video. Moving on to palazzo pants at reasonable or budget friendly prices. Pack of 5 is just 450 rupees. So do check out. They are comfortable, which are stretchable, and you have different colors and sizes. And if you are a first user, you can use my link in the description box. You'll get 150 off on your first order at checkout, which is auto applied. You can pair up this palazzo pants with kurtas or t-shirts, whichever you like. And you can see my pick for value, right? Okay, if you are interested, go check out the links or tag products. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Keep smiling. Peace out.